This combination board from Amazon Basics gives you both a magnetic dry erase surface and a classic cork area in one practical unit, making it ideal for busy home offices, classrooms, or shared family spaces. The smooth whiteboard side erases cleanly after repeated use, so daily task lists, reminders, and quick sketches do not leave behind ghost marks or stains. On the opposite side, the cork surface recovers well from pinholes, allowing you to rearrange photos, notes, and documents without the board looking worn out. The lightweight plastic and aluminum frame keeps the board sturdy yet easy to handle, and the pre-drilled holes make wall mounting straightforward even for one person. A detachable tray, included push pins, magnets, and a starter marker mean you can start organizing and posting items immediately without hunting for extra accessories. At 36 inches by 24 inches, the board provides generous writing and posting space, while still fitting comfortably above a desk or in a narrow hallway.